Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So, let's start with the chapter Numbers. Before starting with the chapter, we'll just give a quick recap of what we studied in the previous class. So, children, do you remember what we studied? We studied the place value and face value, right? So, why face value is needed and why place value is needed? Place value tells the value of the number in which place it is. If the number is in ones place, it means it is multiplied with 1, right? And if the number is in tens place, it is multiplied with 10. The number is multiplied with 10, right? Again, I will repeat, children. If the number is in ones place, then it is multiplied with 1 to find out the value. If the number is in tens place, it is multiplied with 10. Any number, if any number is there in tens place, suppose 4. So we will multiply 4 with 10. So what do we get? 4 into 10. So what is the value of 4? Place value is 40. That is 4 tens is equal to 40. Clear? And the same is with ones place. So children, then what we studied about the face value. Face. When we see in the mirror, when we see our face, what we find? We see our own face, right? Same applies to the face value of the numbers. So children, when it is asked what is the face value of the number, it is a number itself. That is, the face value of 4 will be 4. No matter it is in which place, whether it is ones place, whether it is tens place, whether it is in hundreds place, but the number face value will be the number itself. Clear? Okay, then let's start with the next topic. So children, before moving ahead, we'll just give a quick recap of the place value and face value. As I told you, what is place value, children? We have to find the value of the number, the digit. We have to find the value of the digit. Now, what is the value of 2? 2 is in which place? Ones place, right? So, ones is written as 1. So, you have to multiply 2 with 1 to find out the value. So, the place value of 2 is 2. And the place value of 9 is 90. How, children? 9 is in tens place and we multiply 9 with 10. That you get 90. So how we can write in words? 9 tens and 2 ones. What it is? 9 tens and 2 ones. So if you expand, children, 2 is in ones place, so it will be written as 2. The value of 2 is 2 plus, and 9 is in which place? Tens place. So what is the place value of 9? 90. So when you expand, you get 90 plus 2. How can you write in words? 92. Clear? Next you see, children, face value. Now face value is what? As I told you, the number itself. If I ask you in number 45, the face value of 5 is what? The face value of 5 is 5. No matter, children, it is in which place, whether it is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, doesn't matter. The face value is the number itself. Is it clear? Okay, so take out your book, children. So children, take out page number 32. As we have already done the train my brain question, that is, write the number names of the following. So we have, how can we form the numbers with when the place value is given here? You can see the place value is given, right? That 4 is in which place? Ones place. And 1 is in which place? Tens place. So you just have to put the number in the place. You put 4 in ones place and 1 in tens place. So you get the number 14. You have to write the number name of 14. That is the spelling of the 14. Okay. Next, 4 tens and 5 ones. Again, the place value is given, children. You have to place the digit in the place. That is, 5 is in ones place. Put 5 in ones place. Put 4 in tens place. So you get 45. Write the spelling of 45. 7 tens and 8 ones. So 7 is in which place? tens place and 8 is in ones place. So you get the number what? 78. You have to write the spelling of 78. So children, let's start with example 4. We can form a number when the place value of its digits are given. When the place value of the digits is given, just now we have formed the number, right? The example 4 is very similar to above question which we have done just now. A number has 1 in tens place. 1 is in which place? Tens place. And 4 is in ones place. So what do we get, children? 14. So what number we got? 14. Okay. Next, example 5. Form using the following numbers. Again, children, the place value of the digit is given here. You have to form the number. What you have to do, children? You have to form the number. Now 7 is in which place? Ones place. Put 7 in ones place. Put 3 in tens place. So what do you get? 37. Again, number B. 6 in tens place. 0 is in ones place. Put 0 in ones place. 6 in tens place. So what number do you get, children? 60. Clear? This has been solved in page number 33. You can see the number has been placed 7 in ones place and 3 in tens place. So what do you get? What is the place value? 37. Then 60. Clear? So let's start with example 6, children. There are 4 groups for a drama competition. Each group has a few students as shown. You can see there are 4 groups: group A, group B, group C and group D. So there are a few students. So then what we have to do, children? 2 questions are given below, A and B. We have to read that question and give answer to this question. Count the number of students in group B. Write its number name. Now search where is group B, children. Here is group B, right? Now count the number of students. How many are there? In first row, 5, 4, 4, 8, 9, 10. So you got 10 students in group B. And then you have to write the number name. That is the spelling of the 10. This is done here, children. You can see. Its number name is 10. Next, count the number of students in group C. Now you have to count the number of students in group C. You get 19 students. So you have to write there are 19 students in group C. So what is the number name, children? You have to write the spelling of 19. Okay? It is very easy, children. You just have to observe the groups and the number of students and you have to write the number name. Next, example 7, children. Let us see a few examples of 2-digit numbers on an abacus. You know, it is very similar to the place value chart. Place ones, tens. These are the spikes. So you have to see how many bits are there in spike. Okay. So in ones place, how many bits are there? 2. Okay. In ones place, how many bits are there? 2. And in tens place, how many bits are there? 3. So you get the number what, children? You get the number 32. Again, number B. In ones place, how many? Is there any bits? No. So it means there are 0 bits. Okay. And in tens place, how many bits are there? 3. So you get the number 30. Clear? In ones place, in number C, you see how many are there? 3. And in tens place, 2. So you get the number 23. This is how we count the numbers in bits. Abacus. Okay. Next you see example 8. It is very interesting, children. Draw beads on abacus to show the given numbers. So first comes what? Ones. 78. So children, once we will put in ones place, beads will be of blue color, and tens place beads will be of green color. So, ones place, how many beads you will put, children? 8. Understood? You will place 8 beads. And in tens place, what is there? 7. So you will put 7 beads in tens place. Understood? This is ones, this is tens. Again 25 you have to place on abacus. So put the beads. First you will put 5 beads blue color, and then you will put 2 beads of green color to get the number 25 on abacus. Clear? Then 39. How will you put the beads? 9 is in ones place, so you put 9 beads in ones place and 3 in tens place. Clear? Is it clear, children? What it is written here, draw as many green beads as the tens digit and blue beads with the 1 digits. Okay, so this is how we place the numbers on the abacus. Okay, ones place you will put with blue color and tens place you can put with green color. Next. So this is all, children, till here. So is it clear what we have studied today? We have studied how when the place value is given, the place value of the digit is given, children, how we can form the numbers, isn't it? And what else we did? We solved this question to observe the groups and the number of students and to answer to the below questions. Okay? And at last, children, what we did, how to place the numbers on abacus. So first you put ones with blue color and tens with green color beads. Okay, and just see what is the number and put the number beads according to the number. Okay, so thank you so much, children. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.